Yang Bahagia Datuk Dr. Radzali Hassan, Group Managing Director of Harta Maintenance Sdn Bhd and Chairman of Yayasan Modal Insan Harta, Datin Salma Rahimah Shah, Senior Director, Policy and Commercial Matter, Harta Maintenance Sdn Bhd, ACP Abdul Rozak bin Muhammad, Ketua Polis Daerah Timur Laut, Yang Bahagia Datuk Huang Tian Lung, Yang Bahagia Datin Chia, and Mr. Lim Chiu Cheng. Salam sejahtera, salam Malaysia Madani, dan salam Penang 2030. A very good evening to every one of you. Distinguished guests, honored partners and respected colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, and fellow citizens of Penang. It's an honor to be here this evening to mark the official launch of the Clean Cities, Clean Nation initiative, a campaign that carries forward a mission that Penang has long embraced, the vision of a cleaner, healthier, and more livable city for all. It is a continuation of our shared commitment to the environment, to civic values, and to sustainable urban living. It is a continuation of World Cleanup Day, which the City Council of Penang Island hosted in 2023. And it is a reflection of what happens when policy is matched with people and enforcement is balanced with education. But we know that cleanliness cannot be maintained through municipal action alone. It requires shared ownership. It must be built into our culture. It must be something we expect not only from others, but from ourselves. That is why tonight's initiative is so important. It is not just about the act of cleaning. It is about transforming our mindset, about ensuring that our efforts do not end with one day or one department, that our ambitions are not seasonal but structured. In this regard, I am genuinely pleased and deeply encouraged by the collaboration that has brought us here. Yayasan Modal Insan, under the leadership of Datuk Dr. Radzali bin Hassan, has done more than just support a good cause. They have embedded themselves into a civic mission that reflects the very values we uphold at the Council. Let's give him and his team a round of applause. By funding and co-implementing this initiative, they are bringing both resources and a long-term vision as true strategic partners with the City Council of Penang Island. This is corporate responsibility in its highest form, a co-ownership of the future we all share. Their 3-year commitment focusing especially on schools will go a long way in shaping habits that in the most impressionable age. We realize that through awareness, these children will come to love and care for the environment. Through classroom education, student ambassadorship, cleanup drives, and civic workshops, we are nurturing environmental awareness and will eventually progress to environmental leadership. Because as any city planner will tell you, the greatest infrastructure in the world means little without the values to match it. And yet, Even with a strong government and proactive partners, we must never forget the heart of any city, its people. I want to take this opportunity to call upon all Penangites, whether you live in Georgetown or Balik Pulau, in densely populated area or sparsely habited areas, in cities and towns, villages, kampongs, to embrace this initiative as your own. This is your city, your home, your well-being, and your pride. Every act counts, whether it is disposing of waste properly, teaching your children not to litter, or joining a community cleanup drive. Penang is often praised for its food, its heritage, and its beauty. But let us also be praised for our discipline, our civic pride, and our environmental consciousness. At the City Council of Penang Island, we will continue to do our part. We will enforce when necessary, educate when needed, and engage as often as possible. Our waste separation initiatives, our illegal dumping enforcement, our smart bin system, and street cleanliness audits. All of this will continue with greater intensity. But the best results will always come when the public and the government move as one. Let us also remember that Penang has always led by example. We are among the first cities in Malaysia to pilot structured waste segregation, to legislate plastic reduction, and to implement green infrastructure policies in urban development. We have received accolades, yes, but more importantly, we have earned the trust of our people. And that trust must be renewed through continued action, accountability, and collaboration as we have it today. With Clean Cities, Clean Nation initiative, we are sending a clear message. Penang will not wait to be told what to do. We will lead, and we will invite the nation to follow. To Dato' Dr. Razali, to the Harta team, to our educators, the students, to our civic society groups, and to every citizen who has participated, we will be participating in this journey. And before I end my speech, I would like to also thank Dato' Ashok, for without him, we would not be sitting here. Thank you very much.